Sand USDT overview. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, 2 to 3 months between TPs. Entry levels, 0.5799 to 0.6326. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.7330. Target 2, 0.8766. Target 3, 1.0201. Target 4, 1.2229. Target 5, 1.4717. Stop loss. Stop level, 0.3433. Dear traders, it is important to remember to move your stop loss to your entry or previous take profit after reaching any take profit. This will help to protect your profits and limit your losses if the market turns against you. Be sure to enter after a pullback. Risk management. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment for spot trading to maximize participation while effectively managing risks.